My name is Gavin.
And my name is Ella.
And we are gonna unbox a iMac behind me. So let's read the description. Hi guys, we're gonna read the description on the box for you. It has a 21.5 inch diagonal. Wait, no. It has a 21.5 inch iMac with Retina 4K display. It has a 3.5 gigahertz quad-core Intel Core i3 with 6 MB shared L3 cache. It has a 8 gigabyte of 4,400 megahertz with a DDR4 memory, and it has a 1 terabyte of 5,400 RPM hard drive, a Radeon Pro 55X with 2 gigabytes of RAM, FaceTime HD camera, and it has a 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, support for high-speed I/O and video out, a SDXC card slot, and 4 USB-A ports, and 10/100/1000 BASE T Ethernet and it has a built-in stereo speakers, microphone and headphone jack, and it has a 102.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, and it has pre-installed Mac OS and meets Energy Star requirements. Okay, let's unbox this. Are you ready, Ella?
Oh yeah!
Let's unbox it. So if you are parents that are looking for a computer for your kids because of COVID-19 for online class, we're gonna unbox this so you know what is inside of the box. We do it? Okay. Okay, we're gonna open it up. Hey, Ella. Yay. Okay, now you go. Okay. Like that. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Designed by Apple in California. Right there. Oh, right there.
It's heavy.
So, it's wait. I'm gonna open this first. Wait. Oh, this is. Look at this. Okay, so this is the keyboard, and I think this is the mouse.
This is the mouse inside there.
Not the rest.
And inside here, this is the thing.
Okay. So, don't open that yet.
Then why does it make a weird sound?
Okay. Oh, here you go. And then we got Mousy inside his pouch. You can't see it.
And by the way, why do they call it a mouse?
I don't know. Ooh, what is this? I don't know. There's I don't know, but yeah, that's a charger, and it's iMac. And then it has this.
Is this a
I don't know what's
charger?
in here. Yeah. And then it has stuff at the back. Yeah, it looks
Oh,
like.
white.
Wait. Yeah, it feels like a sunglasses. It's a screen cleaner. So if your fingerprints are on it, it doesn't be on it. So I'm gonna put this. Okay, I'm sure. Okay, so let's. Oh, Ella, move. Quick. Okay. Whoa. That looks scary. Okay. I don't know what to do with it. Oh, I think we put it at the back, I guess. Oh no. Oh, okay.
So
Let's see what's gonna happen. Wait, we have to. This is weird. Okay, so I guess we're gonna try to. Ooh, look at that. You can see this. Oh, you can see this over here. And then see. Whoa, that's big. What's this? I guess that's just the support, so it doesn't fall.
what's this?
Okay.
This is
This is the port for the. Oh, the cord for the iMac, and then it has like 3 prongs at the back. And then we put it there. And then oh, it has like I don't. This is what. Wait, this is all what was inside of the box. The monitor, the mouse, the mouse. I think it's it's wireless. The keyboard. A charger for the keyboard. No, the screen cleaner. Stickers. Oh, typical.
show my dad.
Instructions inside. So
There's a TV.
no. So it has a menu bar up here.
This is so big.
Wait. A FaceTime camera up there. A spotlight over there. A finder, which is gonna be in your dock, and then your system prefaces in your dock, and then you have more at the back. And there you have it. We have the plug for this. So kids, get one of this to study.
Get one of this to study.
So we're gonna bring it to the plugs and the tables because this is too small. We're gonna move it to a bigger table. There you go. It's almost there. So how you power it is the button in the left side over here, and then there's a power button right over here. So you can power on. So you don't get confused. It's not in here. It's not over here. It's over here in this left side. No. Yeah, left side, not the right side. That's where you put all those headphone jacks. That's where you put your headphone jack, your USB, and your and that's where you charge this one. This one is for you to charge this, and this one is so you could right over here. So it's like this. Make sure it's like this, that upside down. And then you turn it around right there. You don't use the phone charger. This one's like a special charger so you could charge it. Oh. And this one you just have to plug it in so you could type. Also you need to turn it on right over here. turn up. Make sure this one turns green, and then you turn it up. So now you press and do it.